Hi guys, TJ Griner here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I want to go over our new trade-in. It's a 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This boat is powered with twin 300 Verados. It does have joystick piloting and fully loaded. Let's hop on board and take a look at what we got. As you climb onto the stern, you'll see the very first thing is this very large, very luxurious sun pad. Plenty of room for multiple people. You do have stereo control back here as well as a USB charger and multiple drink holders. So as you step on board, you'll see there's a ton of room for seating, entertaining. We do have a refrigerator on board. The boat does have the upgraded stereo system. There is a 10-inch subwoofer here to my right. This chair does spin this way as well as spin back facing forward, so you have sort of a captain co-captain situation. The boat is equipped with a snap in and out sea deck, so if you don't like this on, quickly pop it off. You've got non-skid, or pop it back on if you prefer to have the nice soft sea deck on your feet. Let's make our way forward and take a look at the electronics. So you can see from the dash here, we are equipped with a Fusion stereo system. We do have twin SIMRAD GPS chart plotters, the joystick on this side, access to your chart plotter, as well as your VHF radio. This boat is equipped with Lenco automatic trim tabs. Really fun boat to run, really nice riding boat, very dry riding boat. We do have the aft sunshade on this as well as the sunroof option. Let's take a peek at the front. So if you guys would like to know any more information on this beautiful 310 SLX, give us a call here at the store, 727-343-6520. Again, my name is TJ Griner with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.